Ready? 3, 4.
Early on Lá Bealtaine, we decorate the May bush or our May tree in the gardens to celebrate the first day of summer. We usually pick a hawthorn tree, as it's the tree of the fairies, but any tree or bush in your garden will do. We hang ribbons, cloth, flowers, decorations and the May Babóg on the branches. When all the decorating is done, we spend the evening celebrating the return of summer, having a feast with our friends and family and dancing around the May tree.
This morning as the sun did rise, we decorated this bush for you to surprise. With our fiddles, flutes and our tin whistles we'll play to bring you good cheer on the 1st of May.
Sahara, Sahara, Banyana, Hogama, Fena, Sahara, Sahara, Buena, Noli, Glegia, Hogama, Fena, Sahara, Babóg na Bealtaine, Majana, Sahari. Sis got cannot, guess she is got land. Kalini Mashika Bongala Glista. Hogamar Fena Sarulin. Sara Sara Bonyana Nana. Hogamar Fena Sarulin. Sara Buena Noni Glegia Hogamar Fena Sarulin Hogamar Lene on Kilgravy Hogamar Fena Sarulin Sara Buiolina Grenia Hogamar Fena Sarulin.
Have you ever heard of the May Boys? They're kind of the same as the wren boys at Christmas, but the May boys celebrate Bealtaine. Boys and girls dress in colourful clothes and floral crowns, carrying a branch from the May bush, decorated with ribbons and rags. The May Queen carries a May Babóg, made from straw or rushes. Going from house to house, they play music, sing and dance on the doorsteps, bringing the summer with them.
Hagen mar féin an Sarah Lynn. Tá cugus an wisho gag shenam la pleasure. Hagen mar féin an Sarah Lynn. Sarah, Sarah, banyan and auna. Hagen mar féin an Sarah Lynn. Sarah buin and oni glegia. Hagen mar féin an Sarah Lynn.